The texture match is crazy. This wig literally looks like it's growing from my scalp. Today I'm installing a VPart curly wig from Wig Fever. This was my first time working with them, and honestly I love the quality of their hair. It came with lots of gifts, so now let's go ahead and get into the hair. So again, this is a VPart unit, meaning I have the front of my hair left out, and it has clips all along the front so that you can clip it into your hair. And I have it in the texture Kinky curly, and I have it in 20 inches. What I loved about this hair is that it was super defined straight out of the box. It didn't have a smell. The hair was soft and really easy to work with, and it was really easy to clip in. So I sectioned off the front of my hair, and this is going to be my leave out. And as you guys can see, I really started feeling this hair. It was so pretty, so soft. Next, I just took some scissors and I wanted to frame the front of the hair just because my leave out is a lot shorter than the wig. So I usually just cut the front of the hair to help my hair blend in better. Next, I like to section off the perimeter of the wig, and I use this for when I'm ready to blend my leave out. I just take this section and my hair and blend it together, and to me that's what really helps your hair really blend in with the wig and make it look really natural. Now I'm just going to go in and define the curls using my usual little process. I just spray it down with some water, then I went in with some leave-in conditioner, moisturizer, and just define the curls. gonna go ahead and get started on my leave out, and I'm doing a middle part today, so I just split my hair down the center, and then I'm gonna do those same steps that I did to the wig. I'm gonna do that to my hair and just start off with some water, leave-in conditioner, and then some moisturizer, and then y'all are gonna see my little process for blending in my hair with the wig. So after I finish defining the curls, I do like to use some clips and some heat protecting spray, and I just like to stretch my hair using a blow dryer on a very low heat setting. To me, my hair just looks a lot better when I stretch it whenever I'm wearing like a V-part unit, because my hair shrinks up so bad, y'all. Like it's long, but it's like the shrinkage is real. So I usually just blow dry it for a little bit, not till it's like all the way dry, but when it's like 50% dry. And after I'm all done, I just take the clips out, and then I just like to fluff up the hair a little bit. As you guys know, I love big hair, so I just play with it until I get it exactly how I want. And then to make the hair look more sleek, I just take some edge control and apply it to the front of the hair. And y'all, this edge control is actually going to be a part of my new hairline that I'm working on. You can follow my page on Instagram if you want to be updated. It's going to be called Simply Ray. You can go to my Instagram. I have a link below. Alright y'all, so here is the finished look, and like I said, this hair matches my texture so well. It literally looks like it is coming from my scalp. I love it, like love it. I didn't have to dye it or anything. It matches my natural hair color. My hair color is like a 1B color, and it matches it to the T. And again, this hair is from Wig Fever. This is their VPart Kinky curly wig in 20 inches. I'll have all of the information for this hair down in my description box. I definitely recommend checking this one out. If you have not tried any of the wigs that I recommended, make this be the first one, y'all. I'm telling you, This is some great hair. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And y'all, I'm really about to get back into my natural hair content bag, so be on the lookout. I really appreciate everybody who has stuck around. I know I've kind of been, you know, doing different kind of content, but we about to come back. So thank you everyone who has been supporting me, and I'll see y'all in the next video.